decided to miter the frames for the box tops. These walnut crotchwood pieces will be the panels. I sanded the panels down to 220 grit and then used water to raise the grain before further sanding. After raising the grain, I took it down to 400 grit. This is the first time I've tried these sand net discs by Diablo, but they seem to work great. Once I had all the frame and panel pieces cut for the lids, I did a dry fit to make sure it was all good before the final glue up. This is my first sample of Simple Finish by Maker Brand Co. I'm not sponsored by them, and after trying this first sample I bought my own quart because they're good guys, I like what they're doing, and I wanted to support them. Keep up the good work, guys. I figured I'd better sand and finish the inside edges of the frames before glue up as well, because it'll be much harder once they're assembled. But like an idiot, I forgot to keep the oil finish off the actual glue joint, so I did a little damage control with mineral spirits to clean them up. I decided to reinforce the miter joints with some little homemade hidden splines. So I cut the slots on my router table. This picture frame miter clamp has been one of my favorite tools for a long time. My favorite sponsor, Incra USA, came through for me again and sent me this Incra Hinge Crafter jig to try out in my shop. And of course I'll put a link to the Incra Hinge Crafter in the description below.
And what's this? I do not know what it is.
A 3.
3, 4,
And a 2.
and a
And a 1. The first step to making your own hinges is starting out with square and flat blanks. Then you round over the edges with a router bit. Another router bit is used to reduce the thickness of the hinge leaves. I used my Incra iBox jig to cut the fingers for the hinges, but any finger joint jig would work. And finally, I separated the hinges from the blanks. See you later.